a statement, and if you could verify what I'm saying by yourself. We have the worst crackdown in our history. No democratic party has ever had such violation of the fundamental rights. What we want is from you simply find out by yourself, but this will be, you can find out that what is going on is unprecedented. So we would appreciate here, because it makes a lot of, it goes a long way when someone like you, Maxine, when you give a statement. And all we want is the rule of law, the Constitution, fundamental rights. We just want a statement highlighting what is happening. And that would really help us. When Maxine, someone like you speaks out, it makes a lot of waves in our country. Thank you. और अदनान बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. Thank you, Salman.
Thank you. जबरदस्त हो गया ना पापा.